Sawadee-krap. Hello everyone, my name is Tung. My full name is Nguyen Khanh Tung, a student of Ho Chi Minh City University of Education. So today I have a video for expressing my thought about the Thailand Viet Nam Friendship Programme 2022. First of all, I think that this was a memorable trip and an exciting program. It is my honor to have a chance to join this program, and thank you so much to the Royal Thai Embassy in Hanoi, Royal Thai Consulate General in Ho Chi Minh City, and all our sponsors for the meaningful program. I think that this program helps us to know more about Thailand and Thai people, and I have a good impressions about the Thai people. They are so friendly, kind, and hospitable. Thai cuisines have different dishes, but all for me that is very good and delicious. And I hope someday very soon I can come back to Thailand to have a chance to explore more about the culture, the society, and the Thai people. Thank you so much. Thank you for all things that you do for me. ขอบคุณครับ